Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To remove the original sound from a TikTok video, start by uploading or recording your video. Before posting, tap the volume control in the right side editing menu. Here, you will find sliders for Original Sound and Added Sound. To remove the original audio, simply slide the Original Sound controller all the way to the left. This action mutes the original audio, allowing you to add new sound or music of your choice, enhancing your video's appeal without the distraction of the original background noise.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.